All right, hello everyone. I hope you all had a good weekend. Were able to get out. The weather was nice, so hopefully you barely stretched your legs and got a good walk in. All right, on to today's assignment. So you can see that we're going to explore the origins of the Cold War here for March 23rd. All right, so again, make sure you hit submit or turn in rather. That'll count as your attendance and also as your total on Friday. Schoology will be open for redos for mini units 9, 10, and 11 until noon. So what do you need to do to get today's activities done? All right. So here we have an overview of the Cold War from 1945 to 1991. All right. And it's between the Western Bloc, the United States, which is capitalist, and the Soviet Union, which represents the Eastern Bloc and its communist allies. All right. So this chart will help with that. Make sure to review it. Then this section, 1941 to 1945, is a review of what the relationship between the United States and the Soviet Union, also known as the USSR, was during World War II. And then here we have at the end of World War II, there was a couple of conferences and agreements I'm going to go over in this section. So February through July of 1945. So again, the war is going on in February. In July, by 1945, Germany has surrendered, but Japan is still fighting. All right. So this chart here of the Yalta Conference and the Potsdam Agreement starts, but then it continues on to the next page. Now note the questions. It goes 6, 7, then up to here to do 8 and 9. Please do it in that order because then it'll make 10 and 11 for you much, much easier. All right, and that's it. As always, if you have any questions, I'll be by my computer, so please email me. Otherwise, take care.